I couldn't pay for the expensive hard-boiling treatment that would save my shelf life, so I fell into a world of crime. Now they call me
What kind of man?
Exitberg. Now, if all thieves get out of my way, I need to cook!
Yay! Pancakes!
No, not pancakes. This is chili pepper hot sauce with a tweak of chemistry. An acidic heat so pure, a single drop can spread it. When the recipe is done exactly right, the sauce turns a perfect orange.
Easy there, Sauce Boss. Everyone knows I'm the only perfect orange around.
Wrong. This is our turn now.
Our turn?
Oh yes. This is my associate, Jesse Pinkman.
Hey, yo. Don't even think of telling anyone our plans. Snitch. Yeah, we're not really interested in hot sauce business, or the inevitable violence that comes with it.
I'm not in the hot sauce business. I'm the entire business.
What the shell?
Hey, yo, this is bad, Mr. Egg White. It's the Carton Cartel. See? Inevitable!
Yeesh! This is getting El Pollo Loco!
Everybody put your weapons down! What should I say? Exitberg!
Oh no! My brother-in-law Hank on! He's...
A pig! And I hate pigs!
Everyone just calm down! There's a complete rational explanation!
Down your weapons! All of you!
It's over the hot sauce!
Are you in trouble? Better close up!
How can this possibly get worse?
Well, I don't know. Somebody can spit a seed in your eye.
Well, yes, I suppose that could happen.
Told ya.
Ooh, ruin my recipe! Become completely unstable!
Yeah, Snicks! Dying!
Sorry, guys. Guess I'm using a power nap. Hey, where's old Egghead?
Yeah, well, the explosion kind of... look for yourself.
I told you I'd get you, Walter. You're in danger now. I am the danger.
Yo, Mr. Egg White, somebody...